4 minus 1, that's 3, quick maths. Everyday man's on the block, smoke trees. See your girl.
Students, welcome to UA Learning Classes managed by Modern English School Nawada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher, Modern English School, New Area Nawada. Dear student, today I discuss some examples of 7C related to areas theorem. So first you remember the areas theorem, the statements, and then solve the question. So see here now. Now see first examples of 7C. This is if the areas of two similar triangles are in the ratio 25:64, find the ratio of their corresponding sides. That means ratio of the area is given and you have to find the ratio of their sides. We suppose here let ABC and DEF are two similar triangles, and we know that the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. It is the statement of the theorem of area. So we write area of triangle ABC by area of DEF is equal to AB square by DA square. Area given 25/64 is equal to AB square by DA square. This square convert into root. So 25/64 under root is equal to A by D. Root of 25 is 5. It is 8. So AB by D. So ratio of AB is to D is 5:8. Given figure, S and T are the points. S and T are the points of PQ and PR respectively. That means S is the point on PQ and T is the point on RS respectively of triangle PQR, such that PT is equal to 2 cm and TR is equal to 4 cm and ST parallel QR. Then what is the ratio of the areas of triangle PST and triangle PQR? So first I find the relation of similarity between PST and PQR. Here I write in triangle PST and PQR, angle S is equal to angle Q. It is corresponding angle. This angle S is equal to angle Q. It is corresponding angle because ST parallel QR. Similarly, T is equal to R. It is also corresponding angle because ST parallel QR. So PST similar to triangle PQR by AA property. If these two triangles are similar, then area theorem states that we know that areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So I write area of triangle PST by area of triangle PQR is equal to PT square by PR square because PT and PR given. We also write PS and PQ, but PS and PQ are not given. So I write PT square by PR square. Hence PT is 2 and PR is 6 because here is 2, here 4, so 6. So 2 square by 6 square, that is 4 by 36, that is 1:9. Now question number 3. The areas of two similar triangle ABC and PQR are 25 cm square and 49 cm square respectively. If QR is equal to 9.8 cm, find BC. Dear student, first triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, given your question, that two similar triangles. Next, we know that the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle ABC by area of PQR is equal to BC square by QR square. I take BC and QR because you have given QR and find BC. So the corresponding sides are BC and QR. QR given and you have find to BC. You can take also AB square by PQ square, but AB and PQ are not given and not asking to your question. Here in your question find BC and asking QR. So take ratio BC square by QR square. Write area ABC 25/49 is equal to BC square by 9.8 whole square. This square converted into roots. Never squaring and you write 9.8 into 9.8, this type no solving. You always this square is converted into root. So I convert into root, the square, this square is given here in the form of root. So 25 is 5 and 49 is 7. It's equal to BC by 9.8. Cross multiplication. So BC is equal to what? 9.8 into 5 by 7, then it is 1.4 into 5, that is 7 cm. Now see question number 5, example of 7c. This question is related to the medians of the triangles. Here given that the areas of two similar triangles are 121 cm square and 64 cm square. Area of this triangle is 121 and this is 64 cm square given. If the median of first triangle is 15.4, median of first triangle is given 15.4 cm, then find the corresponding median of second triangle. First, let triangle ABC is similar to DEF given, and AM and DN are the medians. AM and DN are the medians of triangle ABC. But we know that the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding median also. First theorem is a square of their corresponding sides. Second theorem corresponding medians. Third angle bisector. Fourth altitudes. All are the square of the medians is also same the area of the their ratio of the similar triangle. So I write here area is 121 by 64 is equal to AM square by DN square. This square converted into root. So is equal to AM by DN. It is 121 by 64. The root of 121 is 11 and 64 is 8. By cross multiplication you can find Dn, and Dn is equal to 1.50.4 into 8 by 11. 11 cancelled by 1.4 times, and 1.4 multiply into 8, you get 11.2 cm. Question number 6. This question is related to angle bisector. Here is given ABC similar to DEF, in which AX and DY are the bisector of angle A and D respectively. If AX is equal to 6.5, this AX is given 6.5 cm and DY is 5.2 cm. 5.2 cm. Then find the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and triangle DEF. First, triangle ABC, let solution. Triangle ABC similar to DEF. It is given. And AX and DY are the angle bisector of triangle ABC and DEF at A and D respectively. And we also know that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding angle bisectors. Ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their sides, also equal to the square of their medians, also equal to the square of their angle bisectors, and also equal to the square of their altitudes. All are same things. So write their statements. This statement is the square of their angle bisector. So I write here area triangle ABC by area triangle DEF is equal to AX square by DY square. AX given 6.5 whole square by 5.2 whole square. Whole square means 6.5 into 6.5, 5.2 into 5.2. Point will be cancelled. And 13 4 ja 52, 13 5 ja 65, 13 5 ja 65, and 13 4 ja 52. 5 into 5 25, and 4 into 4 16. So ratio of the areas of two triangle ABC and DEF is 25 into 60. Now see example 7, important questions of this exercise. That is, in the given figure, the line segment XY parallel to AC of triangle ABC, and it divides the triangle into two equal parts. That means these parts and these parts, one is triangle, another is quadrilateral, are parallel to each other, are equal in area, and XY is parallel to AC each other. Two parts of equal area. Prove that AX ratio AB is equal to 2 minus root 2 ratio 2. 2 minus 2 ratio 2. We have to prove. So now we write here in triangle ABC and triangle XBY. In triangle ABC and triangle XBY, this X is equal to A. A is equal to X. These are called corresponding angle. Similarly, XY is parallel to AC. So the Y angle is equal to C. This is also corresponding angle. So by A similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle XBY. Means a small triangle is similar to this large triangle. And we know that the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So we write here area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY is equal to AB square by BX square. That is equation first. Now we find the relation. You write here area triangle ABC is equal to area triangle BXY plus area trapezium ACYX. Next, area triangle ABC is equal to area triangle. Now it is given that area of triangle XBY is given to area of quadrilateral AYCS. Means area of this triangle is equal to quadrilateral AXYC. Also you can say this is the trapezium and you can write trapezium also. But area of these two parts is given because this XY divided into equal area. Now in triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of XBY plus area of quadrilateral AXYC. I write here. Next, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle XBY plus XBY because both are equal. So at the place of AXYC, you again write XBY. So I write here XBY. Therefore, two area XBY is equal to area ABC. This XY go here, then area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY is equal to 2 remain, that is equation second. And first already given the area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY is equal to AB square by BX square. It is first and then it is second. LHS are both equal. Area of ABC by XBY, area of ABC by XY. So RHS will be equal. So I write here that AB square by BX square is equal to 2. This AB square by BX square is equal to 2. So I write here 2. And square convert into root. So AB by BX is equal to root 2. Now cross multiplication. Then AB is equal to root 2 BX. It is X. So AB is equal to root 2 and this BX you can write AB minus AX because in your question ratio will be given AX is to AB, you have to find. So we convert this BX into AB minus AX. So I write AB minus AX. Now multiply, then you get AB root 2AB minus root 2AX. Here is minus. So root 2AB minus root 2AX. Here AB is equal to root 2AB minus root 2AX. Root 2x goes this side, here is minus, then it is plus. Root 2ab, this AB goes this side, then it is minus. Here root 2x, AB is the common between them. Here is AB and here is AB, so AB is the common. So in the bracket root 2 minus 1. Again AX by AB, because your question is AX by AB, so I write AX by AB, root 2 minus 1 and by root 2. This is the rational number, so I am rationalizing it by multiplying root 2 with numerator and denominator. So root 2 multiply, then you get 2 minus root 2 and here root 2 into root 2, that is 2. So AX is to AB is equal to 2 minus root 2 is to 2. It is your solution. Question number 8. Today's session last question is, in the given figure, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base BC. This is the base, one triangle is ABC, another triangle is DBC. It is not a quadrilateral like as ABCD because it is not in the form of cyclic or concyclic. So it is ABCD, it is not quadrilateral. It is only two triangles on the same base. Like a base, one triangle is here, another is there. So prove that area of two triangle ABC by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO, where O is the point intersecting the ACL, AD and BC. First we draw perpendicular AM to BC, AM to BC and DN to BC. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to half into base into height. So 1 by 2 into base BC, height AM, 1 by 2 into BC into DN. BC cancel, half of cancel. So area of triangle ABC by DBC is equal to AM by DN. It is equation first. Now find the relation between AOM and DOM. Here is vertically opposite angle and here is 90. So we write AOM is equal to DOM angle. This is vertically opposite angle and AM is equal to N, that is 90. So triangle AOM similar to DON by A property. Now if AOM similar to DON, then their sides are in the proportionally equal. So we write AO by DO is equal to AM by DN. We write AO by DO is equal to AM by DN. It is second equation. From first and second, you get RHS AM by DN. Here is AO by DO is equal to AM by DN. RHS is equal, so it is clear LHS is equal. So we write area triangle ABC by area triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. It is your solution.